Good morning, my dear children. Myself, Mr. Ravindra Kumar Jhankar, welcome you all to today's class 3, subject English, topic Bottom. Today we will learn poem recitation, new words and word meaning. So get ready, listen carefully and understand about today's poem Bird Talk. Dear children, this is your Marigold, Book 3, Class 3, English. It is prescribed by NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training. This is your content page. Here you have given Unit 2. In this unit, we have the poem Bird Talk and the story Nina and the Baby Sparrow. And today we are going to learn about the poem Bird Talk. This is the poem Bird Talk, and this poem is written by Alan Fisher. Dear children, can you see the picture? Can you say which picture is this? Yes, this is the picture of Alan Fisher. She is the poet of the poem Bird Talk. Alan Fisher, born in Michigan on September 9, 1906, and she died on 2nd December 2002. She moved to Colorado as an adult and lived there for the rest of her life. Alan Fisher was an American writer of more than 100 children's books, including poetry, picture books in verse, prose about nature and America, biographies, Bible-themed books, plays, and articles for magazines and journals. Her poems have been anthologized many times and are frequently used in textbooks. In 1978, she was awarded the second National Council of Teacher of English Award for Excellence in Poetry for Children. So, great personality. Dear children, let's start the poem with a song. The song is Bird Talk. Let's sing and dance. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Think about people, the way they grow. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers, they don't have feathers at all, you know. Yes, sing with me. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Yes, let's sing with me. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Think, said the robin, think, said the jay. Aren't people funny? Aren't people funny to be that way? To be that way. Aren't people funny to be that way? To be that way? To be that way? Now let's come to your textbook. Open your textbook and you can see here I've given the written part of bird talk. Okay? So we have sung the song. Now how to recite the poem. Both are different. How to sing, singing a song, singing a poem, and recitation of the poem, both are different. So now take care, listen carefully how to recite the poem. Bird talk. Think, said the robin. Think, said the joy. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Once again. Think, said the robin. Think, said the joy. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So these are two stanzas. Now look at the third stanza and fourth stanza of this poem. So now this is the third stanza. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the joy, aren't people funny to be that way? Once again, they don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings, they don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin, think, said the joy, aren't people funny to be that way? So this is all about how to recite the poem, and we have to practice with action. You have to recite the poem with action. Okay? Next, come to new words of this poem bird talk. There are some words which is very new for us. We should have to know the words, their spellings and their pronunciation. So dear children, listen carefully. Here we have new words. There are two columns. In first column we have robin, joy, talk, think, grow. In second column we have feathers, beetles, wings, wires and funny. Yes, repeat after me. Robin, Jay, talk, think, grow, feathers, beetles, wings, wires, funny. So these are new words. You have to note it down in your notebook, practice it 3 times, and you have to learn the spelling and take care of the pronunciation of the word. It is very important. Okay? So dear children, now it is time for word meaning. It is very important to know the meaning of the words of the poem. If you know the meaning, then you can understand the poem. So let's come to word meaning. Here you see our first word is robin. Yes, you can see the picture. Yes, this is the picture of a bird and this is called as robin. And this is name of a bird. Robin means name of a bird and this is the bird. Okay? Our next word is Jay. J-A-Y-J. Yes? You are seeing a picture? Yes, very good. So, Jay. It's also a name of a bird. And this is the bird. Jay, name of a bird. Our next word is talking. Yes, can you say what is the meaning of talking? Yes, you are familiar with the word. You are also talking with your friends. You talk with your friends when teacher is absent from the class. Yes. So here 2 birds, they are saying something to each other. Yes, here you see the first bird is saying, "Hi, Jay, how are you?" Okay. And the second bird is saying, "Hi, Robin, I am fine." Means the 2 birds are talking. Means to say things. To say things. Talking means to say things. Our next word is think. Yes? Can you say? Can you guess the meaning of think? Yes. Think means to have ideas. Here also I have given the picture, and in this picture the bird is thinking. Means to have some ideas. Having some ideas. So think means to have ideas. Our next word is grow. G-R-O-W, grow. Yes, it is a very familiar word and you have also known the meaning. Who can say? Can you say? Yes. Grow. Grow means to increase in size. Here you can see the picture of plants. Yes, from tiny plants to growing plants. So, grow, G-R-O-W, grow means to increase in size. Our next word is feathers. F-E-A-T-H-E-R-S, feathers. Yes, you can see the pictures. Okay, so we can say, can you say, can you guess? Yes, punk. Very good. So, feather means light parts that grow from bird skin. Feathers means light parts that grow from bird skin. Now, our next word is beetles. 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 Yes, you can see the picture. Here I've given one picture. Yes, can you say the meaning of beetles? Kida. Okay. So beetles means an insect, large, shiny with hard case on its back. Beetles means an insect, large, shiny with hard case on its back. Now our next word is wings. Yes, it is very simple. W-I-N-G-S, wings. Can you say the meaning? Yes, you can guess. Okay. Punk. No. You see what is the meaning of wings? Pair of limbs covered with feathers that a bird uses to fly. Yes, wings. Wings means pair of limbs covered with feathers that a bird uses to fly. Next word is wires. Wires. Yes, you have seen everywhere, in the town, in the street. Yes. So wires. Who can say the meaning of wires? Okay. Tar. So you see what is the meaning of wires? Thin, flexible metal rod. Wires means thin, flexible metal rod. Wires. Okay. Next word is funny. F-U-N-N-Y, funny. Yes? Mazak. Joker. Okay. So funny means causing laughter. Funny means causing laughter. Now, dear children, come to the rhyming words. These are very important. If you know the rhyming words, then you can compose your own poem and you will be a poet. Okay? So to become a poet, we should know the rhyming words. So in this part, here I have given some rhyming words, and you see, first, what is grow? G-R-O-W, grow. Okay? So, here, G-R-O-W, grow, have rhyming words. We can say no, throw, and second one is day. Rhyming words for day are bay, way. Third one is think. Yes, blink, sing. Fourth one is funny. Rhyming words of funny are bunny, sunny, Fifth one is eat. Rhyming words of beat, feet. And sixth one is sing. The rhyming words for sing: ring, king. So these are some rhyming words, and you can write your own rhyming words. Words have various rhyming words, so you can create your own words which will rhyme with the words given. Okay. So now, dear children, in this class we learned about the poem recitation, new words of the poem, and the word meaning and the rhyming words. And you have to note it down in your notebooks. You have to write 3 times the new words in your notebook, all the word meanings in your notebook, and rhyming words in your notebook. So now it is time for test yourself. What you have learned, what you understood in this lesson. So as you test yourself, there is the page. You have to answer the questions, and it carries full mark 20. And your first question, number 1, write the missing letters and complete the words. It carries 9 marks. Here I have given some words, but some letters are missing. You have to find out the missing letters from the poem, and you have to complete the word, and you will get 9 marks. Okay. Next is number 2. Write 2 rhyming words for each. Here I have given 3 rhyming words. 3 words, you have to write 2 rhyming words for each, and it carries 6 marks. A, think. B, funny. C, sing. If you will write 2 rhyming words for each, then you will get 6 marks. Okay. Now it is number 3. Match the words with their meanings. Yes, I have learned from the poem. So here you have given 2 columns, 5 words you have given, and 5 meanings you have given, but the meanings are in irregular ways, and you have to match the word with their meaning. There are 5 words. If we will match correctly, then we will get 5 marks. And in this way, you can get 20 out of 20. So dear children, you have to evaluate yourself, because this is test yourself. You have to test yourself what you have learned from this poem. Okay? And I hope you will score 20 out of 20. So dear children, this is all about today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class, understood today's class, and you have to test yourself. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you for attending the class. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in part 2 of this poem, Bird Talk.